is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jeff Benjamin with iDownloadBlog. I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 8.1 using the new Pongu tool. Now, just to prove I'm running iOS 8.1, I'm going to go to the About page, and there you go, iOS 8.1 on my iPhone 5S. And this jailbreak will work not only with the iPhone 5S, but with the iPhone 6, the 6 Plus, etc. All right, so just a few things we want to cover before we begin this jailbreak. Number one, you want to make sure that your passcode is disabled. Make sure you don't have a passcode on your device. Also, make sure that Find My iPhone is disabled here in the iCloud settings, or in my case, I just have iCloud completely signed out. And once you have covered those steps, then you should be good to go. Just go back to your home screen. Now, as for your actual computer, this is a Windows-only jailbreak thus far, so you will need a Windows box or at least a Windows virtual machine. You will need iTunes installed on said machine, and you will need to make sure that your device is recognized by iTunes. So make sure you launch iTunes at least once. Make sure iTunes can see your iOS device before proceeding. Otherwise, you may run into errors. Now you want to download the Pongu tool, which can be had from iDownloadBlog's download page here. You just scroll down and then you'll find the latest Pongu tool right here. I've already downloaded that. It's on my desktop, so I'm just going to right click and select Run as Administrator and then select Yes. And now I'm going to try to jailbreak my iPhone. So at first, you're going to get this little message here. Eventually, it should recognize your device as it has here. You want to uncheck this little box here. Make sure you do that. Otherwise, you'll get some stuff installed on your device that you probably don't want. And then you want to click the little blue jailbreak button here. Make sure, obviously, that everything's hooked up, your lightning cable's plugged in. Otherwise, it wouldn't recognize it to begin with, but I just thought I'd mention that. Now, let's click the jailbreak button, and let's be patient because it takes patience. You can see the jailbreak proceeding, step 1 of 6. And just let it complete here. And you just, again, want to be patient. Just let this process come to completion. So we're just going to hang on for a few more seconds. We're almost done. Okay, just tap done there. That's fine if you get that error message. And looks like the jailbreak process has completed. So just be patient and let the iPhone restart. And now you can close out of the Pongu tool like this and just wait for the rest of the process to finish on your iPhone. All right, so now we just want to unlock our device. We want to swipe over, and you should see the Pongu tool. Just tap on it. And there we go. Now you've installed Pongu, and you are jailbroken now. Pretty cool, right? So now the next step would be to install Cydia. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. iOS 8 is now jailbroken on your device. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And like this video if you appreciated the step-by-step tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This is Jeff with iDownloadBlog.
What's up, guys? This is iTweaks here. And today I have some really good news as well as some pretty bad news. Now, the really good news is that you can jailbreak any device running iOS 8.0 through iOS 8.1.x. So basically any device on iOS 8 right now, you can jailbreak. Now, the bad news is that it's not going to install Cydia. It's actually going to install a Pongu app. Now, I've already tested this on another device, and this is basically for developers to update their tweaks, apps, as well as update Cydia. Now, once Cydia is actually updated, you will be able to update or install Cydia directly through the Pongu app. So it's still a good step in the right direction. If you guys want to go ahead and jailbreak right now, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then once Cydia is available, you should be able to directly install Cydia from this Pongu app. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. Now what you want to do is go to this website right here. It's just pangu.io, and they've updated it so it looks a little bit different. So once you go here, this is only going to work on Windows. So once you get to this website, just go ahead and click on Windows right here to download it. It's only 33 megs. And then once you download it, go ahead and run it and open it up. It's going to look just like this. Now there's going to be a lot of funny characters. You're not going to know what it's saying, but this is all you're going to have to do. Just make sure you plug in your device. As you can see, I have right here. And then once you plug that in, you'll notice that it says your iPhone, iPhone 6 Plus, or iPhone 6, or whatever your device is. You want to make sure that this tab is clicked right here. And then once you have, go ahead and click on this button right here. Now before you start this process, make sure that you back up your device. You also want to turn off your passcode as well as Touch ID. And if you have that all turned off, make sure you turn off Find My iPhone, just in case. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and start the jailbreak. And I'll go ahead and speed up through this so you guys don't have to wait through the entire process. Now you're going to see the Apple logo screen quite a few times before it actually boots back up. Once it boots back up and says hello, then that means you're good to go. Alright, so now you can slide to setup, and it's going to ask for your password here. Alright, so once you type in your password, it's going to update everything. So now you can turn on Find My iPhone if you want to do that. We'll go ahead and turn that on. Create a passcode. And then you can tap Get Started, and then you'll swipe over here and you'll notice that we don't have Cydia, but we do have this Pangu icon. If we tap on that, this is basically what the interface looks like. I haven't used it much yet, but you can see we have 3 tabs down here. We have Home, Manager, and About Us. And you can see if we refresh this, it should have some information right here. There it is. Alright, so now you can see here that we have Cydia, we have OpenSSH, we have a few tools down here that we can download, but if we open this up, you can see that obviously it's in a completely different language that I can't read or understand. But again, you should be able to install Cydia from this app, the Pangu app, once it's actually available. So definitely keep that in mind. Hopefully that'll be soon. Of course, I'll keep you guys up to date. If you want to stay up to date, make sure you subscribe, as also follow me on Twitter. I'll put a link in the description below. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos about everything jailbreak as well as everything Apple, then make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, until next time, peace.